In 1916, the British Mark I tank made its debut at the Battle of Flers-Courcelette, designed to break the stalemate of trench warfare. These early tanks were slow, unreliable, and prone to mechanical failures, yet their ability to cross barbed wire and trenches shocked German forces. The Mark I's psychological impact outweighed its limitations, proving armored vehicles could change battlefield dynamics. By 1917, the French Renault FT introduced a rotating turret, setting the standard for modern tank design. Despite initial setbacks, World War I laid the foundation for armored warfare. By late Brown War, tank designs improved dramatically. The French Renault FT, featuring a rotating turret and lighter frame, became a game-changer at the Battle of Cambrai in 1917. Allied forces began experimenting with combined arms tactics, coordinating tanks with infantry and artillery. These advancements demonstrated tanks' potential beyond mere shock value. However, logistical challenges and high attrition rates persisted. The lessons learned here would shape interwar tank doctrine, paving the way for future innovations like the Blitzkrieg. Germany's Blitzkrieg tactics in World War II revolutionized tank warfare. Spearheaded by Heinz Guderian, panzer divisions combined tanks, motorized infantry, and air support for rapid breakthroughs. The invasion of Poland, 1939, and France, 1940, showcased the devastating effectiveness of this approach. Lightweight Panzer III and IV tanks, supported by Stuka dive bombers, overwhelmed static defenses. Blitzkrieg relied on speed, coordination, and psychological shock, rendering traditional warfare obsolete. This strategy forced Allied nations to rethink their own armored doctrines. By mid-World War II, Allied forces adapted to Germany's armored dominance. The Soviet T-34, with sloped armor and a powerful 76mm gun, outperformed German tanks at Kursk, 1943. The U.S. M4 Sherman, though outgunned, overwhelmed Axis forces through sheer numbers and reliability. Allied tactics emphasized combined arms and air superiority, neutralizing German advantages. The introduction of specialized tanks, like the Sherman Firefly with its 17-pounder gun, further leveled the playing field. These innovations marked a turning point in the war's armored conflicts. By 1945, tanks had proven indispensable in ending World War II. Heavyweights like the German Tiger II, Soviet IS-2, and US M26 Pershing symbolized armored might in battles like Berlin and Okinawa. Post-war analysis confirmed tanks as pillars of modern warfare, though vulnerabilities to anti-tank weapons emerged. The Cold War saw further evolution, with NATO and Warsaw Pact nations refining doctrines. Today, tanks remain vital despite drones and missiles, adapting with advanced armor and electronics. World War II's lessons, innovation, coordination, and adaptability still define armored warfare.